Okay, check this out. Here is day trading, and we use the micros for contract at the open up about 267. Micro setup. $270 fully automated. That's 350 for micros, and we can call it a day. Just like that. It took 5 minutes. 5 or 7 minutes. Hit 332 trading micros. Zero risk. It was down, I think, only $40. Check this out. Just to show an example how you can do that on your daily basis. The excuse fully automated using MS5 trading tool. This was a nice trade. And you don't need to sit all day to watch this stupid market. This is the best move, or the best shot you will ever have for the entire day. Take it, walk away. This was the best move for the entire day. Check this out. If you don't have good tools, you got nothing. It's very stressful if you sit all day, analyzing the chart manually. That is not going to work out. You let this tool run at 9:30 a.m. You sit back and watch, collect, profit, walk away. This was on micro market, traded for contract. So even less, half of the regular one contract. So we only used 40% of the regular one contract E-minis. That's crazy. And made 332. I believe it took I turned this on way too early before the market opened. There was a small loser, I think of $40. But again, we are done. We took that right around this area. All you need to do is avoid Wednesdays. The rest, you can run this tool on 9:30 a.m. with no problem. Okay, this is the MS5 trading tool. Is done for the day, and I will show the MX7. There's a few tweaks that is required. This is going to be plug and play, no manually interfering on this tool. All you need to do is turn this on and off. Also, you can on and off each market separate to trade fully automated. So it's going to be zero manually interfering with this MX7. Again, still unfinished tool, but again, the MS5 is ready and still on 80% discount. Okay, just wanted to show the this one. Somehow did not take a trade around this area. I believe the settings on this it's a bit off, and the ES took that long entry from this area, but NQ somehow did not trigger long entry on this nice move. So on this window, you can just view charting only, and you have the option to close any fully automated entry. Also, you have the option to on and off if you don't want to trade or use some of these markets. We have a short entry on this YM. Okay, still again unfinished tool, but it's going to be a good one. This is more like a multi-market auto trader with zero manually entries. This one has zero manually entries. It's only for fully automated 100% plug and play, on and off, and you sit back and watch. Also, you have the option to close positions like this. Watch, this one we have a short entry. You can close that, take profit. you can do something like this. You can watch the market. Somehow NQ is not taking any trades. Very strange. Again, this is still unfinished business or unfinished tool. There's a few tweaks, I believe, on the settings. Needs to be a bit more, but the indicators are just insane. This should have got long and got out, took another short and got out around this area and took another long. This is the idea behind this tool. To take entries based on these bar colors. Check this out. This is just insane. Also, we have these yellow. It means choppy area. This is going to be a fantastic tool for those who don't want to touch anything. All you need to do is turn this on and off. So I am trying to change the trading business for everyone. So I'm trying to help to make these the trading easier. Check this out. Look at this ES. But again, this is a small fix. Somehow this setup did not take a trade around this area. Small fix, no big deal. Small tweak. For the MS5, we already nailed it. Check this out. This is the for those with the MS5. This was on micro for contract. Took 332 at the open. I believe I have the some kind of filter on this running. This is why it's not taking the entries. Also, if you can get to let's say if you want to have or change this main window to another market, all you gotta do is click on, like an example, on these rows, and here it is. It's going to change the main chart. You get to see the price, symbol name, and the chart data series. Also, this one has the you know, the target P&L. Like an example, if the entire 6 markets make this amount, the tool will stop and trigger the pop-up window for P&L target reached. So this one also has the daily targets, P&Ls. Okay, finally the thank you took a long entry. I don't know why it did not trigger on these nice areas. But we'll figure this out, no big deal, we'll make it happen. Also we have 2 timers. You can set 2 timers to trigger the tool or to trade. And this is again for only fully plug and play trading tool. No manually managements needed. But you have this close toggle. I did not close that. This was fully automated. As you can see, if I click on it, it shows. Okay, again, still a lot of work needs to be done. Also, you can just switch to the charting. But again, you don't have the option to trigger manually. We want to avoid triggering manually on these tools. Also, you can remove and add markets on the fly. You can select any market you want to remove and click on this toggle. Or if you want to add, same process. Click on any market you want to add, click on the plus toggle. We have created great tools. You want to watch the scanner. That is also possible. And again, you can set the target. Let's try to only have daily profit on and see if this is going to make the 500 using 6 markets. Also, you get to see the P&Ls on these markets. Also, this one has the buyers and sellers bar graph and control. And again, don't get me wrong, the other tools, they're still good tools. We will keep creating, of course, with fresh new ideas. every now and then. It doesn't mean the other tools are outdated. They still good tools. This one has the entire fully option for fully automated and manually management. Also, it has the manual entries by yourself. You get to choose any number of contract, long or short. So this is also a good one for those who want to interfere with the entries. This is the MS5. Still an amazing tool. We are creating this one for those who don't want to touch anything. Comment in the live chat which tool you prefer to have and what type of trading you are. But again, this one is going to be a nice one. Somehow there is a few tweaks in the entries. Very good. MS5, too much going on in other one for me right now. Not sure what that means. No, this is the same setup that I showed. I did not change anything on this micro. It's the same exact setup. The only filter on was the ADX. So I am only using the ADX filter on this. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this so we can have it handy. We will call it number 5 for lot for micros and Q. Saved that setup. Okay, today was a nice day. Just insane compared to yesterday's junky Wednesday trading. Again, I am using a 15-second chart on this, and probably I will send this setup if you email me or message me on Discord. So now this setup is on, the setup name is number 5. I can send you this number 5 setup. It works on micro and Q. So again, as of now, we're going to keep it simple. And we'll stick to this MS5. And you don't want to keep reloading this tool, of course, because you're not going to make it. If you hit one target a day, you need to walk away. Forget everyone else who is live streaming and drawing some BS on chart. That is not going to work out. The trading idea is to take profit and walk away. Is not to sit down all day and load, or try to analyze the chart all day. That's not going to work out. The best time is to run this tool or trade 9:30, max 10:30. So 1 hour a day. Still loading because I got the other tool running, so this was a heavy load. I just reloaded this again. Let's see if this is gonna make any new moves. So the best is to have a target, daily target, and if you hit the loss, also is to stay away. Again, there is nothing else left after these two moves. There is nothing left. Also, you can go only short. You can turn on short only, because the long side is finished. So now you're only going short if there is any new signal coming up. Okay. As you can see, there is no not good signals. Just choppy area. It should be probably this week or next week. Still trying to test the account Copier engine. Okay, there is nothing left. Again, trading was never meant to sit all day and take trades. You wait for the power hour. You make it or not, you walk away. None of these tools were meant to trade 24 hours. Even the long side is weak. Check this out. I turned the long off. And I believe there is no more longs after these two shots. It could be. Again, I'm not gonna sit around and waste time. There is nothing left. Okay, I just discovered the tool also shows the long side if you turn the longs on. If you have it off, it's not gonna show the scanner. For long side. I will probably disconnect the idea of long toggle controlling, I mean not controlling, turning this long side on and off. Because watch this. If I had the long on earlier, I think this one would have got in too soon. I mean too early around this area. Do the toggles work? Of course they do. Again, you can on and off any side you want to trade only, long or short, or have both on. the best part is you sit back and watch this amazing tool taking trades with limited money management. Also, you can turn one side off, long or short. Also, you have to have some knowledge. If you see a move like this, you should stay away from long entries. But today is just crazy. They want to keep pushing up. That's just the way it is. We got stopped out by the indicator exit. Also, you can set the timer if you want to do that. Turn this on, and this is the stop trading time. Again, this tool is still on 80% off. You can find the discount code below in the description. To have this tool handy on your daily trading is a must. Okay, scanner now only shows long side. Okay, I changed the MX7 to 3-minute charts instead of small. And now I should have used this type of, you can reload again, refresh. So I should have just used this nice 3-minute instead of 15-second. So doing that, this gives us to stay in the trade longer and not to take crazy trade. Also, as you can see, the scanner now is way calm than the 15-second. Again, for the MS5, I believe it's just, there is nothing left. But the cool part about this multi-market trader, I believe it's a fantastic job. This tool trades based on these bar candles, colors: green, long, short, red. Also, this one only has the closing position and on and off. If you want to trade or turn off these other markets. Pretty cool stuff. So it's less flashy when you use 3-minute chart. I believe it's over on, there is nothing left. There is nothing left. No short, no long. And for shorts, probably it's going to wait for shorting after 12. This tool is more NT8 charting, not like the analyzer we have created before. The other one was custom-made charting outside NT8 data series. So the analyzer was a bit heavy on loading these multiple, but still good one. But it was a huge code. But that one is a different animal, of course. It has a different type of trading style. Also, what I'm going to be doing on this one is going to have the signals or the arrows for these nice areas. So I believe 3 minutes is a good best, on a good day, is a good setup. 3-minute charts. But for Wednesdays, okay, it looks like we already have a short entry on Russell. Also, you get to see the entire running markets P&L on this scanner. Strength, signals. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, we have a nice entry. We have a nice entry for the alongside again. On this MS5 micro contract. And we are back to green. Now, as you can see, micros has less risk when you use. Also, I'm using 4 contract micros. targeting 200. If you do 200 each session, probably you can make 400 a day trading micros. That would be 9,000 a month, I believe, if I am not mistaken. 200 each session. Here is the total P&L. I can still tighten these stop losses a bit if I want, but it doesn't matter because we have indicator exit in place. Okay, well, we have some entries running on this MX7. The cool part about this tool is that you can run multiple markets in one window. I believe we are the best tool creator for NT8 platform. No one has or created these tools for this platform. I believe the MS5 is a good tool if you want to just focus on one market. The other one can be used for multiple markets. As you can see, we have a long entry on this area, on this gold, and we have a short entry on Russell, CL, flat. Okay, I need to remove this stupid label. YM, short. Pretty good tool. I believe we can load more if you want. Let me try. I haven't tried that before. Let's see what happens if I load more markets. Okay, it did load it. This is just insane. Okay, now we have more room to add 2 more markets. Let's do MES. Also, let's do MYM. Okay, there was a room to add that in that area, but somehow it did create. Okay, now we fixed that. Check this out. Now we get to see 9 markets running. 9 markets in one window. And also we get to see all those 9 markets in this scanner as well. And it looks like we are up. So we try to make this trading easy for everyone with these amazing tools. What logic, there's a lot going on. It's hard to explain. If I show you the control panel, there's a lot going on to paint or to print these bars. There's a lot going on, and it's hard to explain. What you can do is run the same exact setup that I show on these videos. Less headache. And we are up on this 3060. Also, we have the option to close, like an example. Okay, it did hit the target, daily profit hit. From all these combined markets. Check this out. Isn't this insane? Now if you want to rerun it, watch. All you gotta do is reload. Now we are running back from zero. Very, very smooth. And as you can see, I am running 9 markets in one single window. Check this out. I don't need to open separated charts or any of that. You get to run 9 markets and aim for $500. I believe this is going to be the future. Also, it has the sound. I don't want to turn this on. It's going to be a bit annoying. It has these sounds for the signals and choppy callouts. The 3-minute, I believe, is more relaxed. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can do any time frame you want. Let me show you. Okay, here it is. I have it set to Aikanashi minute and 3 minutes. So we have all the data series. There we go.
ES short setup confirmed near 7,832.5.
It's calling out
Preferred entry
the
zone is
ES.
7,832.5 to 7,834.0. Wait for price to return to the preferred entry zone. MES short setup confirmed near 7,832.3. Preferred entry zone is 7,832.4 to 7,834.0. Wait for price to return to the preferred entry zone.
Okay, this one also has the Fibonacci drawing on the chart, but you don't need that. We are trying to make these, or this trading business, easy and not complicated, or add crazy drawings on the charts. Many people or traders want to have a tool to only plug and play and go to sleep. This is going to be the one to turn this on and set your daily profit target to any number you want, even $100 a day. That's $500 a week. It's 100% profitable if you set this to $100 or $150 or $300. Small targets, very easy to make, especially when you use 9 markets. Okay, let's take a look at the MS5 Trader. Okay, we are getting close to hit that 200, even after made a couple mistakes around these areas. Also, we've missed this nice area. Also, you can turn this off. To take more than $200. This sound was from the MX7 other tool. Looks like there's an entry short for NQ. Now my PC is getting heavy because I am doing a lot of stuff at the same time. Okay, here is the short on this NQ. Also, yes, I have the I have 9 markets running on that tool, plus live streaming and using this MS5. Okay, close to hit that 200. I turned it off. So again, you have zero risk using micros. I had to remove a couple markets from this window to keep it only 6 because it was a bit heavy on my current running PC. Again, because I am recording and live streaming at the same time. That's a lot of stuff going on at the same time. But if I run the tool only with the 9 markets, it should be no problem. Check this out. This one took a short right around this area. So 3 minutes I should have used from the beginning, not 15 seconds. So 3 minutes swing trading for multiple markets, the best idea. You get to close and take that profit if you want, or wait for the tool to close that trade. Let's set this to make 200. So now we have sellers in control. Okay, we have a short entry on the MS5 Micro. Again, in the future, I will be probably using MX7 that I can run multiple markets smooth with these painted bars. Pretty cool. As you can see, choppy area yellow means no entries. Yellow areas means no entries. Okay, MS5 hit the target. What else we should show? Before we used to record and we used to post recorded videos. Now we've been showing these tools live. Many used to ask, I want to see this running live. Here it is. Again, here it is. This is live, real market. You can compare this chart to yours. No BS. But if I come up live around 12 p.m., there's going to be bad results, of course. Market doesn't move and you get nothing. But I am loving this MX7. Very, very smooth. Also, I get this to watch multiple markets, and I can only turn on and off what market I want to use. Also, I have the close toggle to flat like this, kill switch to close position, take profit. So I am going to keep this tool as it is without adding manually buy or sell or any of the interfering. I want to make it easy for anyone to use. All they need to do is turn on the main switch. Also, the control panel, it will be also updated to remove some of these nonsense. Keep it clean, short, and simple. Again, MS5 hit the target. If you want to use also the MX7, you can run only micros if you want, and use one contract per market, or two, or as many as you want. You can change the number of contract from the control panel. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Number of contract can be changed to any number you want. This applies for the entire running market. So if you set it to 2, it will trade 2 lots per market. The single stock futures will work too. Not exactly what do you mean by that? Also, it can be run on any market, of course. If you have Forex, stocks, or any other markets available in the NT8. So yes, you can use stocks if that's what you are trying to say. Okay, let's take a look. Also, this one has the account Copier as well. I forgot to mention. MX5 also has the account Copier as well. Single stock. Yes, again, you can use any market you want. There is no question. You can remove what I'm showing and add anything you want. It's going to trigger any market. Still, there's a few fixes here and there. Few changes to make this more robust. Again, yes, the tool has account copier. Like an example, if you are using your SIM account on this tool, you can plug in any account you want to follow. But this tool is trading. Entries and exits, or any it will show the total P&L in this area as well. So yeah, this is a complete account copier inside this tool. I have tested this one on this MX5 and it works perfectly. Also on the MS5, or this is the MX7. Also on the MS5, there was a zero issue. You have to be flat before you run or turn on the account copier. Okay, we have a short on these two, and we are up about 300. We can also, you can keep this control panel open. You don't have to keep closing, reopening. If you have multiple screens, you can have it on with no issue. But I keep closing it for no reason. I'm gonna turn this. Okay, it did, before I turn this off, it did hit the target of 496. So here it is. This one made 310, 312. This one was down. Oh, here it is. And hit the target of 500. Yes, it already exists. Check this out. Already exists. Each settings has the description. Each toggle also has the description. Also, you can add and remove markets from this control panel as well. You can also select any market you want to remove and click remove. If you want to add, you can change and add any market you want. Tooltip description on each settings. So we want to keep everyone happy and to make the trading business easier for everyone. This is the AI world. And AI is going to take over. If you don't learn how these tools work, and you don't need to know everything about this tool, of course, but you can customize your own settings if you want. So each settings has the description. I know it's huge for some users or traders. But most of them, they are just sound, voice. They are not all indicator settings. This section is the filters. This section is the scanner display area. This is the sound section. And here is the account changer. After you make any change, you must click apply settings or apply recalculate. Again, with the MS5 users or any other tools, please, you can, if you are interested in this tool, of course, once it's ready, you can DM me for better cost. So now, as you can see, we already hit the target. I don't need to close this window, open a new one. All I gotta do is reload. And we can go for next round. All P&Ls went back to zero. A new, fresh set. So I don't want to be the guy who let me show you. I mean, I can still do that. There's a lot of streamers who are sitting around showing the analyzing chart. If you want me to do that, I can do that, trust me. You know, it draws some BS. Some BS. And trend line. I've been through all this nonsense a long time ago. I don't see trend line. You can use that. Oh, this is gonna break. Are we gonna have a breakout? Or this is gonna go down? The guessing thing is, it doesn't exist anymore. It doesn't work. Anyone can do this. And what I can do is, if I come up to a manually trader, set this sell around this area and set the buy around this area. Is this what you want to achieve? Or have a monster tool that can handle 6 markets or more at the same time? Pick one. I can do this nonsense all day, trust me. Highs and lows, current, all that stupid stuff. You will have a miserable life or day. So what do you think? Should we show this type of trading? Or keep doing what we do? A guy who came to my channel, I think last week, I know who he is. He's a live streamer, YouTuber. He came and said the negative comment and he left. He was like, oh my God, what a BS. And he left. He does this type of trading style. No, this was someone else from. He's a YouTuber. Keep doing this stupid trading. Not gonna get you anywhere. What I'm trying to achieve is sit back and watch AI doing the work without interfering. I don't want to deal with this type of stupid stuff. So let me know in the comment which one do you prefer to watch. Tools that I have created or this type of trading. None of these streamers shows how this Fibonacci extension work. They are very good at the trend line, you know, basic stuff. This is going to drain your energy, and you're not going to have anything left for the rest of the day. But with this tool, you can set the daily goal and keep watching the charts. Okay, it looks like we have a long entry on this NQ. And we have a short entry on Russell. We have missed a lot of nice entries on these markets. I believe I turned this on after these nice moves. Oh yes, we did the reset a couple times. So it waits for new upcoming. I can still have it to a trigger very late by changing the settings. Is it gonna get us stopped out? I believe if a red bar comes up. And the Russell is down. I mean short, not down. Up 150. NQ is down 270. We can close this trade if we don't want to, you know, or stay with it. Also, maybe what I would be doing is create new two toggles to turn on long only or short only. Maybe. But again, we don't want to keep it or make it complicated. And there is no reason to. You can have the tool to take both sides, because even on today's trading, with a long or with the upside kept going up, and the total P&L is on this set 160, 150. None of these live streamers with this junky trading style can beat what I do. Look at this. Insane. This if I had the set running from the opening market, we could have killed it today. Probably 7,000 up. Here is the entry. Again, we want to avoid doing this type of trading. There is no reason to. Absolutely zero reason. The tool already took long while the streamer staring at the chart, drawing some of these trend lines. There is no reason to. And trading manually, you cannot manage 6 markets. That's impossible. You cannot manage or trade 6 markets like this. Okay, 200, that's 400 up already. Here is the total P&L. Also, here is the date and time. We'll try to make this font size a bit bigger so we can see. Look at this. What a nice signal to the upside. AI is going to destroy everyone. It is no longer doing or working, manually. Let's see if this is gonna hit the 500 target. We are up at the 200. Okay, and Q is dropping. Let's see how the exit works. My first time running the 3-minute chart on this tool. Okay, we are down. And if you don't like some of these entries, you can close it. Okay, this was the... Let's see, I'm just waiting for the short exit on this. I can still close that, but I want to wait for the fully automated exit. Okay, it did the... Okay, I believe this is going to take a short entry. And we hit the 500 target again. Gold hit the profit and made and recovered. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Or I can just keep this running without me being around. You guys want to keep watching this? Let me know in the comment. I can keep this on and probably will be back in 1 hour.